What is the difference between sadness and depression? While sadness is usually temporary and conditional, depression consists of intense feelings of both sadness and hopelessness that can last for several weeks or even several months. Depression can impact your ability to complete daily routines, cause you to become disinterested in activities you love, and may even stop you from wanting to be around your friends. Meet Pedro. Pedro is a full-time student who really enjoys playing chess in his spare time. Pedro joined his campus's chess team and practiced for weeks with teammates for their first tournament. On the morning of, Pedro went to the gym as usual, ate a good breakfast, and got ready for the matches. Pedro played well against his competitor, but lost. Sad that he had not won, Pedro walked back to his dorm thinking about how much of a loser he was. He neglected dinner and went to bed. During the next couple of weeks, Pedro avoided his team and chess altogether. Pedro stopped attending his classes, which caused his grades to plummet, and ignored all emails sent by his professors. Pedro declined invitations to go out with his friends and would lie in bed for hours. Pedro would eat junk food when hungry and drink energy drinks when thirsty. Soon, Pedro's brain began to feel foggy, causing him painful headaches, and his stomach was always upset. Pedro thought about going to the nurse for medication, but decided that it was too much effort to get out of bed or even shower. Irritated with himself, Pedro went to bed and continued to sleep, hoping his depression would just go away. Family history, genetic makeup, life events, and our environment are all factors that contribute to whether we are at risk for experiencing depression. Talking with a mental health professional will support you in coping with your intense feelings and help you begin to feel better. Going outside and exercising are two great ways to alleviate symptoms. These activities increase your natural neurotransmitters, including endorphins, dopamine, and serotonin, which will help improve your mood.